Hi, folks. Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out my next level video message. Many years ago, I became a student of personal growth and development, the science of human achievement. And I'm still a student today, but it's something that really resonated with me. It was something that I needed back in those days because I had low self-esteem and all kinds of complexes that would hold me back. Back in those days, I could never sit in front of a camera and do a video. But I'm very thankful. I thank God that things have changed. Okay, but I heard something years ago that sticks with me even until this day, and that is that if we stopped dreaming, then we stopped living. Okay, and I can tell you this. That there were times in my life when it seemed like all I had was a dream. And it was that dream that would move me forward, compelled me to stay on course in life, okay? And so I would encourage anybody to make sure you have a dream that moves you, a dream that will guide you and direct you into where you want to go in life, okay? A dream that will take you to your desired outcome. Never, ever, ever give up on yourself. Never, ever, ever give up on your dream. You'll be surprised. A lot of people, what they do is they stop dreaming, they stop believing, they stop moving forward, and they just reside in a life of mediocrity. And this year in 2018, I'm really hoping to do more messages, and I call these messages my next level messages, because I'm putting together a next level team. I'm putting together a next level newsletter. And of course, I'm going to invite you to be a part of all of that. If you want to grow yourself, grow your life personally and financially, then we're going to have some things for you. But Walt Disney said, first of all, let me back up a little bit, because I wanted to share this with you. There's another thought, okay, that I wanted to share. And Les Brown said something years ago that sticks with me. And he says it's important to have a vision, to get a vision for your life that's larger than yourself. You see, when you get a vision for your life that's larger than yourself, that vision will propel you, okay, to move where you want to go, to those areas of your desired outcome. All right. And it was Walt Disney who said something. And he says that all of our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. So I want to encourage you today, all right, that one, make sure you have a dream that will help you to move your life forward, okay? And then I want to say this to you, because I'm an encourager. I like to inspire people, because when I inspire people, guess what? I get inspired. I like to assist people if I can. If I can help somebody, that's what it's all about for me. So I want to tell you, live your dream. Live your dream, okay? Live your dream life. Don't let anybody, don't let anything stop you. Go after those things that are in your heart, man. What are those things that you see that are beautiful to you for your life? What are those things that you truly, truly desire in your life? The best time for new beginnings is now. The best time for new beginnings is now. I'm going to have a link in a few days that will take you to my, it'll be a link that will, you'll be able to access my newsletter. It's the Next Level newsletter. You can learn about our business opportunity in the newsletter. There'll be some things on motivation and inspiration, okay? And you probably could benefit from getting involved in what we're doing here. And so we're going to make that all available, okay? We're partnering with some other great people. And so we're going to have a lot of things to share. In 2018, I just want to share a lot of things that have benefited my life, and I want to be able to share with other people. Okay, so I'm Terry Brown. I'm signing off, and I'm wishing you a very, very blessed and tremendous day today. Bye bye now.